You ready to go?
What do you mean one scene?
Just give me a monologue or something.
And go! I'm working as a freelance photographer. I've been very busy shooting photographs of the sky. So here I am in Buffalo. Love Buffalo. So the other day I took a picture of the sky and it was really dark, black, and cloudy. It had black clouds and black sky. And a few days later, I took a picture of a gray sky with gray clouds. It's really cool. Now, what's today? Oh, it's August 3rd. Well, I took a picture of big white clouds. Big, huge white clouds with this little outline of blue around them. Kind of neat. I'm just wondering, what color are the clouds going to be tomorrow?
Cut. Do it again.